Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by cleaning the switch screen thoroughly. Use a microfiber cloth and 70% plus isopropyl to remove oils. Once done, use dust stickers to pick stray particles and work in a low dust area. Make a hinge with 2 pieces of tape at the top edge so the film aligns perfectly. Peel back roughly 1/4 of the protective backing, hold the film by edges, and position it to the screen. Do not lay it down flat yet. With the hinge holding alignment, slowly lower the exposed film toward the screen. Guide it down with your fingers until it makes contact at the top. Use a squeegee or a credit card wrapped in microfiber to push air toward the edges in firm, even strokes. If you hit a dust speck, lift the nearest edge carefully and use a dust sticker to remove it, then smooth the film back down. Make sure edges bond fully before proceeding. After smoothing, check the edges and trim any overhang with a new, sharp blade held at a shallow angle. Cut slowly to avoid slips. Make sure to press out remaining tiny bubbles toward the edge. Many small bubbles disappear within 24 to 48 hours due to adhesive settling. If you get a big bubble or misalignment, gently peel the film back to the hinge, remove dust, and reapply. If that fails, replace with a new film to avoid trap.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.